Introducing a turnkey mechanical and auto electrical workshop, Parramatta. This full-service mechanical and auto electrical workshop is already successful and offers enormous scope for growth with an enthusiastic new owner. Established for 68 years and turning over $750,000, this business is just 5 minutes walk from Parramatta Westfield and the CBD. The customer base includes local residents, plus workers in the area who use the business's convenient location during work hours. Easily accessible with on-site parking, the business is close to dealerships and panel beaters with strong active trade work. The sale includes all fixtures, fittings and stock to continue operating, with excellent 320 metre squared premises and staff willing to stay on. This business offers an excellent lifestyle balance. However, given its reputation and location, there's huge potential to increase productivity.